Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 5a. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, if you don't have it, download it, enter Play Store and search for Wallet. Install this app. Now open it. Select Explore Wallet, and as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add payment card, check quick tips, add passes like transit pass, loyalty and gift card, go to menu where you can manage your Google account, check wallet tips, check full list of participating banks, and manage passwords in Password Manager. In your data in Wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In Wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from Wallet and Google Pay. Next, you can go to Help and Feedback and tap to Pay Setup, where you can set up a payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. And that's basically it for managing Google Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.